So guys, this is our third video of our photo editing series inspired by Toni Mahfud. So guys, very first thing you need to do is just capture some kind of pose at your home on your terrace in such a way that you are holding a jacket in your hand, and just create an amazing pose just like this. And guys, hi, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, first of all, we're gonna just first select the photo with the help of quick selection tool and just roll all over the subject's body and make a duplicate. Press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication. Now you can just download this particular background from the links in the description. Just drag it and drop to our photo to add it on the background below the subject or the model layer. Now just place this in such a way that it should look kind of realistic and look amazing. Now I'm gonna just place this somewhere just like this. And guys, I have already made a cutout of this model, so you can just take your time and cut the model precisely with the help of pen tool or quick selection tool, and anywhere you can use any of the tools to select or cut out the photo. Now just crop the photo. That should be of 8:10 ratio, that is our Instagram ratio. Now just hit OK and you are done. Now as you can see, your photo is totally looking very perfect. Now the very first thing we need to do is we're gonna first of all add a first we're gonna just remove tones or if there are some spots on the face, you can just remove the blemishes with the help of spot removal brush, and just remove some of the spots from the face if there are, just like this way. Guys, don't forget to clean the face perfectly. And guys, if there are birthmarks, then just keep it as it is. Only remove the blemishes which are present in your face. So here we have done our process of adding or removing the blemishes. Now we're gonna just enhance the photo with the help of levels. So just press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move the slider from left to right and just hit OK. And now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just first of all, let's just merge both the layers. So just right click on it and select merge layers with the help of pressing the shift key. Now just go to the filter and select the camera filter. And guys, you can just download this preset which is VM inspired, which I have created for you guys. That is Vijay Mahar inspired preset. I'll put the link of this preset also in the description. So as you can see, by applying the preset, your photo is totally looking perfect. This preset, guys, I have personally created for you guys, so you can just download it for free and create a very similar and exact tone just like Toni Mahfud. Still, you can just make more adjustment of the red and orange saturation. This is totally up to your skin tones. You can just keep it. And here we are going to remove the clarity. That should be to around 0. So as you can see, you can just do more adjustment if you want. If you want to increase the lightness or the brightness on the red or skin tone, then you can just increase the luminescence from the red and orange color from the HSL tab. Now this seems to be kind of perfect. Still, you can just play with the curves and just add a little bit of matte effect by increasing the curves from the bottom layer. If you want to increase the texture, you can totally increase, but I don't recommend. Otherwise, by adding a texture, your photo will look enhanced, but according to me, it is not needed. So I'll just keep it as 0 or -1. Or -4 would be pretty perfect. And now here we are going to add a grain. If you will notice, in Toni Mahfud, mostly the photos are kind of grainy type textures is there on their faces. So we are adding a grain to the photo. So just make an amount to around 24% and size to 25 and roughness to 50%. And And here we are going to create a 0% vignette and just hit OK, right? So as you can see, from a normal photo to a kind of very perfect cinematic look or kind of very exact look, just like Toni Mahfud, it is given with the help of the preset which I have created. And now guys, we are going again to add some more vignette, because first of all we gonna do, first of all press Ctrl Z, and again we are just making a duplication of the original layer. So just put the filter and apply the same preset that is of Toni Mahfud inspired, or right, you can still make more adjustment and go to the camera filter. And now here we are going to select the three dots and select the previous conversation, so it will automatically select the previous settings or the preset. Now here we are going to add a vignette, right? This thing we are doing again in the next layer, because guys, I just don't want the vignette layer to be affected on the hand region, right? So I'm just making another copy of this layer. This is without vignette and this is with vignette. As you can see the difference. Now I'm gonna add a layer mask on this, and select the brush tool and make sure to select the black color on the foreground, and just remove it from the hand, guys, hand, and also from the face, because I don't want that vignette effect on the hand region. So I'm doing this on this layer. As you can see the difference, guys, I want the vignette on whole the image, but except the hand and face I don't want, otherwise because your hand was looking totally bad and kind of bad structure. So I don't want that. So I have created two different layers with the help of preset. Now let's create a new layer. Select the brush tool, and here we are going to create a creamy color, or select the creamy orange tone over here and just hit a one stroke of that should be a soft round brush, and just change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just place it somewhere over here. Now we're gonna just place this exactly near the model's face, that it should look more realistic, that the the light effect or the backlight or the sunlight is actually coming behind the model's photo, behind the photo background, so it should look more realistic. So we are adding. Now you can just do it and change the color by pressing the Ctrl U and decrease some of the opacity to around 90%. Now just merge both the layers. As you can see, it is really making your photo a perfect combination of Toni Mahfud's inspired. So as you can see the difference, guys, here is the before and here is the after. Huge difference can be seen to the photo, and it is really making your photo an amazing look, right? And this one is almost, we have done 90% of the thing we have completed. Now here the important thing start, that is of doing a dodge and burn to the photograph. Yes, you are correct, guys. We are going to do a dodging and burning to the face. That you can see the most of the photos of Toni Mahfud are really done with this effect. So just make a duplicate of this, change the blending mode to screen. Now double click on it or select the blending options. Now just press Alt key, so it will create another slider, and just move the slider from left to right until you get a perfect gradiented skin tone. Now here we're gonna name it as a dodge layer, and again press a duplicate with the help of by pressing Ctrl J, and we're gonna just name it as a burn layer. Now change the blending mode to multiply. Now just right click on it and select the blending options. Now here we are going to add by pressing Alt key from right to left, move the slider and just make a perfect burn effect on the face. This is totally up to you. Now select merge both the layers, or select both the layer, press Ctrl G to group, add a layer mask on it, go to the image and select the apply image and just add it. So as you can see the difference, guys, perfectly your skin is made of dodging and burning effect on your skin. It is really looking very perfect. Now here with the help of brush tool, and select the black color on the foreground and just remove the area, or just brush the area where you want to delete that dodging and burning effect. So accept the face. I'm gonna just erase it from whole image because I just want this effect only on the face. So I'm gonna just leave it only on the face region. Still, you can just erase the area where you don't want like on your hand region or on your face. Now just merge all the layers and you are done. So as you can see the difference, it is really looking very perfect. I hope you guys all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more creative series just like this for you guys for free. I'll create more presets just for the like this, for you for free. And if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Also visit our website and follow me on Instagram. So guys, thank you for watching.